guys, so look, I'm already here, man. Attitude Street Cars. About to go pick up the Mustang, man, with the Whipple on there, man. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna see what it's making on the dyno. We're gonna see, man. I'm hoping we're making at least like 710 wheel horsepower or something like that. But we're gonna see, man. We're gonna get up in here. The guys are excited, man. They did the whole little finishing touches. I already seen little updates on my watch and all that stuff. Them plugging everything back up, getting the fuse box set. But we just gonna see, man. What up, what up? What's happening? My guy. What's up, y'all? What's up, boss?
Hey, how you doing? Hello.
How's it going? Good. Where's she at? There she goes, man. So it's 391 max power. So it's 480 to the crank. But yeah, it's definitely, we're gonna see how it go, man. Also, that beautiful orange Whipple, it's installed, y'all, but I got bad news. There's parts missing right here. There's like these little nipples that go inside of here that hold these hoses in. It's missing on both sides, so we're gonna see, man. They're contacting Whipple right now. We're trying to see if we can get these parts at a local shop, but that's about it, man. Everything else went in good. You know, them putting the bumper back on, that takes about 2 seconds. Wheels, of course, you know, it takes about 3 seconds. So that's it though, man. It's completely installed, man. All they gotta do is just fill up this reservoir on this side, and I mean, everything is good to go. It just sucks that just this one little part is the hiccup. So I don't know if they did a pool already. Oh, look what they are. Yeah, they already did a pool right here. But I don't think that's the max. Is that mine? I'm not sure. I don't know. But it's saying at 10 pounds of boost, 550. That can't be mine.
But look, yours is plugged up. So,
Yeah.
see?
I don't know if that's mine.
I don't know.
Because stage one still supposed to make like close to 7.
Yeah, it's probably someone
550
else's.
is like, nah,
It's probably someone else's.
yeah, that ain't mine. That can't be. Hey, I'm just trying to see my numbers.
It's about to
for
be
real.
loud too.
Oh, it's gonna be loud as hell.
You gotta do it right now?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Is idling different in everything right now. It got that big old blower on there. That thing is, it's almost like it got a new cam on there, but it doesn't. I'm just saying it's just totally different delivery right now, bro.
So when I unplug the fuel line,
Oh, and you
I don't get fuel everywhere.
Brandy.
Yeah, I don't get fuel everywhere.
Oh, okay. I was running 87. I should have been running 93. That's my mistake. Being a tad bit cheap, but we're gonna put 93 in there. They had to drain the tank. They unplugged the fuel pump, so we should get better results. I'm not gonna show y'all those numbers. We are not looking at that. It's not happening. But listen, we're gonna get all these new numbers. They're gonna throw some gas in there, and we're gonna see the results.
And paying for the gas.
Yeah, we're gonna pay for the gas. You know what I'm saying? Hey. So I'm getting like some codes coming from Ford, and it's saying it needs to service engine soon, powertrain control system, has lost vehicle speed signal. But that's just the tune from Whipple. That's pretty much what happens. And also, I also seen in somebody else's video that the tire pressure system warning comes up as well. So it's just kind of what comes with it. It's not actually like accurate. And plus, you know, if there was actually an issue, I go get it checked. But it's fine. It's just a little fault. But I know we're getting ready to do this pull here, so it's not gonna read my numbers what it's supposed to be. But just know I'm getting 700 plus to the wheels. I have a rev limiter on there, so it's only gonna allow me to get to 5,000 RPMs, and they're doing that pull in 4th gear. So, but having 87 in there and not having 93, not having that higher octane, you know, it took a hit, and then also not being able to get it up to 7,500 RPMs to get the full band of power. So it makes a difference. It makes a big difference. So we're gonna see what it makes. They're just getting everything warmed up. They're getting their computers going. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna show you the numbers. That's the next thing you guys are gonna see is us doing this dyno pool and see what's up, man. Hopefully we get some good numbers. The car sounds different. I actually got chills. Like that did not sound like the car from before. That scared the fuck out of me. Oh my god. They gotta run the numbers. I'm sorry, I've never heard my car sound like that. Like they did the dyno before, it didn't sound anything like that. The heartbeat, bro. That was like actually like, that's crazy. So it's revving out at 5,000.
You're on Bluetooth on your car.
Oh shit. But Gerald, why didn't you tell me that the car is gonna idle different? It idles way different. He said you got that big ass blower on there, bro. He said it's gonna be different.
What is it? Is it a higher idle?
It's like boop, 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 boop. It's like it's not. It doesn't sound like when you have like a bigger cam on it, but it just got like a more aggressive. Just you could just hear like that airflow going through there, man. It just sounds crazy.
Oh, Thursday you come pick me up?
Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to go hit the gym or whatever.
Yeah, we could do that. I'm gonna pick you up. So they just want to know because I have two OBD 2 ports, and they were like, it's hanging. There's like an extra one hanging right behind the OEM one. I was like, I have no clue, man. I don't know, but I just want to see what the numbers that we make and just see what's going on. But hopefully it's like upward of like 700 wheel horsepower. Like if I can get there at least like 680, 700, we right there where we need to be. Cause you know, shoot, Hellcats ain't even making that to the wheel, man. What Hellcat? What like 530, something like that to the wheel? They ain't really making that much. So, and plus it's a lighter car. I'm not saying it's just better, bro. I'm just saying it's just facts. True American muscle. Y'all don't even make V8s no more. So, like I was saying, the OBD2 port, my lady's arm hurts holding this thing, but you know, I got them guns, you know what I'm saying? So, but the OBD port that they hooked it up to, I guess it didn't read through that one, so they're gonna hook it back up to the other one, and then we're gonna see if we can get that read. It did not give us any numbers, and plus it did, I think it only got to about 3,000 RPMs. It did not even sound close to 5,000, so we gonna see, all right? What Kevin Gates do? There it is. But that's not. Where'd that cut off at? I don't even think these are accurate either. Showing 590. So that's that.
What did it make power-wise?
Saying max power down, it's saying 590.
Hey, man.
Better.
Alright. It's showing 590. We could just bump that up to 6, but it's supposed to be way more than that, you guys.
Cool off in a second.
It does need a cool though. This thing definitely needs to cool off so it can get better cool. But this is not reflective. They know that we're making way more. And also, like, Whipple cuts us off at 140, but still, 534 pound-feet of torque. We're supposed to be 100 more horsepower showing on here, but we can't even get this thing up to 7,500 RPMs, man. That's just what's bothering me right now. Man, I'm happy that I'm getting this car back, but I want these. I know when I'm on the road, I'm going to be making 700 to the wheels, but I want this number for you guys to show what I'm making, because it just makes you feel better when you have this stuff, man. So they're frustrated right now. I'm low-key frustrated too, man, and I don't think it's Whipple's fault. Like I said, we're going to let the car cool down some so we can get a better pull, and I don't know, they're still trying to figure it out, man. I don't know what to tell you, man, but it's not getting up to where it needs to go. It pisses me off just a little bit, but it's just because I want to get the best content and I just want to get the best numbers. It's already going to be the most powerful thing that I'm going to ever drive and most people drive in their life. But, like I said, we're going to get these numbers again. I'll let you guys know. I'm going to talk to the owner again, and like I said, he's pissed right now. I'm a little upset, and, we just want to make it all good. So I'm done talking. We're going to check this stuff out, man, all right? Stopping at 6.2 RPM. So he was explaining to me that with this car, it's just totally different. Like, and obviously I know that, but if you can just say to me what you pretty much just said, like, again, like.
Yeah, so driving experience is going to be immediately different. So with a positive displacement blower, you're going to have instant torque. Power will ramp in over the RPM range, but you're going to have torque instantly. So, slick road, anything like that, you're going to want to be. You're just going to want to get used to it.
Yeah.
Because it is going to be a different driving experience. I mean, even with where we're at power-wise right now, you're 200 horsepower or better, higher than where we started, and probably that much in torque. It's going to be, especially with the manual, it's going to be an immediate difference in how you drive it. So everything you've learned about driving it over the last 10 or 12,000 miles is going to be
scrap it.
Yeah, this is a
window.
different car at this point.
Yeah,
so
they said, and I had some people telling me, the people on Whipple, they was like, these are supercar numbers you're putting up right now in a muscle car. So they were like, this.
It's gonna be different. I mean, you're gonna have instant torque. You're gonna have throttle response. Like, even though you go from 2 throttles to 1, specifically on that, you're gonna have instant throttle response like you've never had before. So, and kind of like what we talked about, you gotta watch yourself with the advanced track and the traction control stuff.
Yeah.
Okay to leave it on initially, especially as you're daily driving it and getting a feel for it. Beyond that, if you're gonna do some things you might not do on a public road,
Turn that sucker off.
Yeah.
turn it off.
Okay.
Turn it off. Let it do its thing. And honestly, once you get used to it, it's probably not a bad idea to find a place again, and not on a public road.
Play with it, yeah, of course.
Turn that stuff off and just kind of learn the car. I mean, it's like when I was growing up, we used to find a dirt road or something.
Right.
You'd sling your, whatever you had to drive around that. Learn how to handle it. But you're gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be. I mean, it's instantaneous. The difference. So, yeah. And then hopefully we get a good pool, another calibration update, and are able to run it completely out. But I mean, everything so far has been really good.
So we're gonna get this thing on the road, man. But how to get that piece from him, man? Just educate people, man. That's all it's about. But that's it. About to get it down, take it for a ride, I'll see you in the next video. All right.
But